Alright everybody, we are now starting the lesson 2, structuring content with essential HTML elements. So let's move forward without further ado and start directly what we need to learn today. We are now moving from theory to practice. HTML elements give your content meaning and hierarchy. So the number one is heading and paragraphs. The text basics. Heading and paragraphs is the most basic building blocks. Headings are used for titles and subtitles, establishing importance hierarchy from H1, most important, down to H6, least important. Example of heading hierarchy. Main article, title, section title, and this is a block of text defined by the P element. So what we have done here, I got this code example that we have here and insert it inside of HTML file, right? So you as a developer are going to do these a lot. You're going to need to insert the informations here, right? So here we have the rendering output that we're going to see. Now we are in the render output. Let me see where we got. Number one, section adding paragraphs. Example of heading hierarchy. This is the one, H3. You can see here, right? Follow with me. So I got this code example here, copy and paste here inside of the HTML file, and this example we're gonna turn to user like this, H1 as a one main title. This is the second one in importance, and this is only a one paragraph. I'm gonna delete these information from here so that you can see. So 1, 2, 3, delete, so this information come back. This is the rendering of the code that we have inserted of HTML, right? Let's remove it, delete this one from, oh sorry for that, let me select this one again and delete, right? There you go. Here we have another one. What we have here, main article, rendering output. We have another one here. This is a one section. I need to delete this one. Sorry. So number two, lists, organizing information. Lists are essential for presenting itemized information clearly. HTML offers two main types. Unordered list, used for lists where the order doesn't matter. For example, ingredients of one recipe. It uses bullets to show the informations. And the second one, it is ordered list, OL, as you can see in this tag here. Used for lists where the sequence is important. Steps, for example, steps in a recipe, how to do the things. So here we have this example that we are delivering to you. And I have copy and pasted this inside of our code. List for the second app, list for the second item, as you can see here, right? So I'm selecting here on the code so that you can see. This is, as we have mentioned, unordered list. It don't shows here in the code, or we have the list item, but it don't show the numbers for the users in the browser. If we change this to UL, we're going to change the O here. Change to O, as you can see, immediately turns to one list with numbers. That it is, for example, for one steps in a one recipe. That's the example that you use, right? That is the difference. It's very important tag. Third one, links and images, making it a web page. These two elements add interactivity and media, turning a document into a true web page. Both require attributes to function, right? So we have anchor tag, that it is to create, used to create links, and a tag uses the href attribute, HyperText reference, to define the destination of a URL, right? So we have the h tag here, the anchor tag, that using HyperText reference to create the link. What is the rendering output that we have? Let's find this in our code. Rendering output, first item, where is it here? Section to links and images, anchor tag. This is a 1A anchor tag here. Here you can see in a practical way, where is it the code. Here we have the anchor tag, right? So it aims for or directing the users to the Google's web page. We have the target, and we have the text that you're gonna appears for the user, right? So that is this Google opening the new tab, and the closing tag and the closing paragraph, right? So this is the importance of anchor tags. And image tag, that is used to insert images inside of our folders. We're gonna image tag is a self-closing tag. It uses the src attribute that aims for source for the image file path, and it requires alt attribute for descriptive text important for accessibility and SEO. So this alternative text, this is what you're gonna be rendered or be spelled by the computer to the, for example, blind people. They need this information. This is very important, right? So we have image source. Where is it? I believe that the image source is not here because we don't have a one image to show. Logo PNG, rendering output, image tag, the let me see, self-enclosing tags, user source, file path. I believe that's not. Let me bring it out. Let me see if it works good. It works good. I believe that we have a more visible space to working on. Let me put it out. Alright, so we have the two out here. Let us diminish a little bit, and this one we're gonna diminish a little bit too. Alright, we have a little bit more space right now. List of organizing, image source, the image source tag self-closing. Let me found in the code, where is it, the image source? After image tag, out display me. I believe that it's not included. Let me see what's happening. It's not going to happen nothing because we don't have a one folder inside with the image, right? So we must have a one image inside of our folder that could be linked to this tag, right? So this just showing the information. The rendering output is here. Your image would appear here, or the company logo text would show if the file is missing. Alright, so this is the lesson 2, everybody. I hope that you have liked it. Please hit the thumbs up or subscribe in the channel if you are not yet, and wait for the next lesson to improve your coding development. See you next time. See you later.